The steering wheel jerked. I tried to keep the car in control. That night in Chicago, a flat tire changed me. I pulled in the nearby gas station, and the bright lights parked on a slope leading to a busy street. Mr. Contestier Toastmaster and guest, have you ever done something stupid? I broke the first rule of changing a tire. Choose a level spot. Friends, in Chicago, there aren't that many slopes. But that night, I found one. Why do flat tires always happen when you're dressed up? Opened the trunk, excavated the jack. Unused for centuries, rusty piece of metal. I thought I can handle it. Losing the nuts, placed the jack down. Half hour to remove the tire. The only support in the front, the rusty jack. Back at the trunk, I pulled out the spare tire, shook din dadka. I saw the car going downhill. Bam! The jack collapsed. The car collapsed. My lungs collapsed. An inner voice said, "You are an idiot." Then another voice, "Reach out. Reach out. I can handle it." Lifted the car almost enough. Bam! If at first you don't succeed, almost enough. Bam! The car had moved to a steeper slope. I grasped the gravity of the situation. The people at the bus stop across the street were looking at me. I was giving a demonstration how not to change a tire. Then that voice again, "Reach out. Reach out. Should I involve them? Of course not. That's not my car." In the gas station behind the counter stood a big man with a big smile. Badge read Jesse. He said, "My friend, was your car doing push-ups?" I told him I did something stupid. I asked him for help. We got out and Jesse looked at the car and said, "You are right. That's stupid. Let me show you." You never know who you are going to find when you reach out. I found a DJM, a distinguished jackmaster. Jesse helped me lift the car up. Rusty, foolish hand shook Rusty, helping hand. That night, I stopped to change a tire. Instead, the tire changed me. I used to believe that to reach out was weakness. I discovered my weakness was refusing to reach out. When you reach out, you attract ideas that lift you up. When you reach out, you attract solutions that lift you up. When you reach out, you attract friendship that lift you up. Maybe you want a better voice. Reach out to a singer. Maybe you want a better writing. Reach out to a writer. Maybe you want a better tire changing skills. Reach out to me. I'll give you Jesse's number. Is there someone collapsed in your life? Your knowledge may be limited, your skills may be rusty, but no doubt you will be changed. When you reach out, Mr. Kunz.